All right, guys, welcome back. We are jumping right into it, this multi-series. Let's maintain and update my Acura TL. The last video, I put the new manifold in. Now this manifold right here is gonna go into the intake manifold, and of course the box is gonna go over the air intake. But to replace the engine air intake, it's super simple. You just got 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. They're 8 millimeters, or you could use a Phillips screwdriver. Once you take off those 4 bolts, you can get access to the engine filter. Again, super dirty. We're not getting much airflow into the engine. This thing is filled with crap and the fibers are so dirty. Out with the old, in with the new. I'll link this product in the description below. You can pick it up on Amazon, really cheap, and it's a really easy job to do. I'm doing a little bit more because of this multi-series that I'm doing on YouTube, but it's such a simple job. So take the old one out. Again, if you need to clean the inside, get a shop vac and clean it up. Don't put water in here. And just put the new one in. Now that we got the new filter in, we can put our new box on. Again, 4 bolts to bolt it down. But I'm actually gonna put the whole unit on the intake manifold. There's some hoses. I'm gonna clip this wire on this side, and then I'm gonna bolt it all down.